Sup y'all, back with another video. So just hitting y'all with my quick update for today of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blockchain, the blockchain space. So today, well actually yesterday, on my last video, I had mentioned that Bitcoin was around 4,400. And right when I got off, when I finished recording the video, I looked at my computer and it had jumped to around 4,600 almost. So we broke another all-time high yesterday. Seems like the bull market will continue for now. Even saw some articles from Fortune or somewhere saying they thought the bull market would go until 4,800, or uptrend would continue till 4,800 before pulling back. We'll see. Could be possible, could be 5,000. But for now, 4,500 is a good price. I think we'll probably build some support around that 4,200 or so. So unless something, we'll see how this fork goes and see if it causes any drop in price in the short term. But also Ethereum going back up 373 dash 364. So we look to be in good shape in the crypto space today. Not a red day by any means. Looks like. See something new in the top 28 share. I'll take a look at that. But yeah, so OMG Coin is actually making a little bit of move today, up 15.68%. Finally what I've been waiting on for a couple weeks now, week and a half or two, or whatever it's been. So we're up now to about almost 11 bucks, 10.85 on Bitfinex. Just using tradingview.com to actually view some charts. But I do use bitrix.com to trade. I don't even think I have an account for Bitfinex. But that's what they have the chart for. OMG Coin from Bitfinex. So just holding on to my OMG coins. They made an official announcement today on June's Twitter. I think he's like the CEO or something. Made an official announcement they've partnered with McDonald's in Thailand. So that seems to be pumping the price a little bit. I don't think that's what they call... If you look at their Twitter, a lot of people have been looking for the announcement from OMG Coin. Some people are thinking it's an announcement for Apple. Apple's conference is this month, so hopefully that pans out. But if it does, we could see a huge increase. So I'm still holding on to my OMG coins for the long term, next 6 months at least, I would say. Hopefully longer. But I'll continue to diversify into smaller coins as I see them come available, and I see opportunities for larger margins of growth. So started with the big boys, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum had a nice run this year. I scaled back all of those portions in my portfolio, dove more into these smaller coins, OMG, Civic, Particle, Quantum, Pay Token, Neo. So I've seen a couple good returns off. Seen a good return already off Neo. Waiting for some of these other coins to pop. And as these, these coins I'm holding now continue to grow, I'll eventually take some profits out and diversify into other coins. Smaller coins, new coins that are just being listed, ICOs, if the government allows that. So yeah, that's my plan coming up. What else is going on? I've seen looks like I don't know how many people are new to the crypto space, watching my channel or checking out the videos. But Clif High, I think, put out a new report recently. I know a lot of people in the crypto space watch Clif High and follow him for just his overall, I don't know, commentary on what's going on. I actually bought one of his reports a couple months back, whatever the last one was. I think he didn't do an August report. I think he's coming out with a September report soon, or has already come out with it. I bought the more expensive report, the one strictly about cryptocurrencies, and what he expects them to do in the future based on his web bot report. So my personal interpretation is, if you're new, you're curious, you hear people talk about it, you hear the other YouTubers say, this guy did this, he made this much money for me, I saw the report, it said it was going to go up, and it went up. We're talking about the prices of certain coins. But I bought the report for July, July, and it just wasn't what I expected. I expected some sort of hard data showing impressions or views or counts of certain dialogue that he's referring to or whatever, and it's really none of that at all. The first couple pages of the report, from what I remember, I was trying to find it on my computer, I can't find it now, I think it's on my laptop, I'm on my desktop now, but the first couple pages of the report are really just about his assumptions for where the world is going, and just politics. I think it has some information about Antarctica, so it wasn't a strictly cryptocurrency report from what I saw. The one I got, it was $100, so I bought it, and I won't buy it again. The actual report about the entire report was just basically a 2 or 3 page Word document, a few paragraphs written on each page, no tables, no charts, no hard data, and even the review of each coin that was supposedly coming out that month, and what he thought about it, or what the webbot had gathered about it. It was really just regular information you could look up from their site. If you had a list of the coins that were coming out for that month, if you went to their site, looked up the founders, looked up a little bit of their history, and wrote a paragraph summary on each, that was pretty much what the gist of the report was. So take that for what it's worth. I personally wouldn't buy it again. Definitely not buy it for $100. Maybe for $4, $5. But when you see all of these people online pumping it and saying, I made this amount of money, I did this because of this report, really a lot of that research you could have just did on your own and figured out that a coin with a 2 million supply is going to have a fairly high price to start, just based off the supply being so low. Or this project is backed by Vitalik, he's one of the advisors, so people are probably going to support it, so I recommend. These are probably things you can figure out without any research. There is no white paper reviews or in-depth thinking behind it, it appears. It's really just a couple paragraphs about each coin, and really I had to do more research on my own than what was given in the report, so take that for what it's worth. So yeah, that's pretty much my review to this month. Guys, if you want to purchase that report, You know, that's just my advice. Crypto space doing well, still pumping along, and yeah, if you guys appreciate the content, definitely hit me with a like button down below. Follow me, subscribe if you can. Follow me on Instagram, legal_Jones, and y'all keep buying that crypto.